Montgomery County in southeastern Texas, southern San Jacinto County in southeastern Texas, southwestern Polk County in southeastern Texas, until 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Cold Spring, Oregon, 13 miles north of Cleveland, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, $half-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Shepherd, Cold Spring, and Evergreen. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.